Hey there, Internet. Welcome to another video. Stern today released a update for pretty much all their Spike 2 systems except for their home systems. There's not an update for those yet because it concerns Insider Connected and some features that I'm stupid excited about, because one of the things I got really sick and tired of was taking my phone out, having to log into Stern Insider Connected, scan the QR code every single time I possibly want to save a score or achievements, and then I'm in the middle of a game. I've had a couple games where I'm like really high up there and my phone's on the other side of the room, and I currently holding the pinball and I live alone, so unless I all of a sudden become Mr. Fantastic and can reach my arm across the room, I can't get my phone to log in. So they added a new feature called Home Team. They also added a feature where you can actually add your QR code to your Apple Wallet or your Google Wallet, which just makes it a lot easier to log into machines on location. So I'm going to show you guys that, see what it's like. I haven't turned the machine on yet to see what the update process and stuff is. This will actually be my first time updating a machine through Insider Connected as well, so I don't know what the process of that looks like. Unfortunately, I don't have a capture for the Spike 2 system, so everything's just going to be off camera basically. Okay, first thing we're going to start doing right away is we're going to check out the feature to add it to your QR code to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, so it's probably a similar feature. Alright, so you're going to go ahead into your Insider Connected on your phone, go ahead and log in. You're going to tap the little button to do your QR code like you would usually do. We're going to hit the add to Apple Wallet. It's going to give you a card with the QR code and everything. We're going to add it. So now you can actually see that the QR code is now added into my Apple Wallet. So whenever I go on location or something, I just got to go into the double tap to open up the wallet real quick, hit it, scan it, it's good to go. Okay, so if I understand things right, I should just be able to flip on my machine and it'll just start updating. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Okay, so it looks like it didn't start an update, so what I have to do is take my keys, open the box, and navigate over to Insider Connected to get it going. So we're gonna go here, over to Net, very bottom one, update. So that was pretty interesting, because what ended up just happening was it restarted the machine and booted back in, and now it's started to download. So it even gives you a remaining time, so it's going to be about 11 minutes. So I'm going to play a quick game of Cactus Canyon while it's doing that.
Oh goody, target practice.
Congratulations!
There's a bounty just waiting for you.
Alright, so there we go, we're on the new code. So let's check out the new feature. What we're going to do for this is I'm going to zoom in on the screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so let's check this out and see how this works. Let's go ahead and open the coin box. And you need to go into Game Software Updated. That's pretty cool, it tells you that. Go into your service menu, go over to Net. This is going to be your Stern Insider connections on the network. So what we want to do is go to this new feature, set up Home Team. I'm going to enable Home Team. Current Home Team is empty. So what we're going to do is we got the QR code reader right here, right? So we're going to take our QR code and we're just going to scan it in. And so now it's going to bring up the Home Team. So now with that, I should be able to go back out. Now I'm told if I hit the left flipper button and hold it down,
I'm over here.
Looks like I'm logged in.
This pinball game.
Just that simple. Now you can actually go back to that same option and scan additional people in, or people can come in and scan the traditional way and they'll be scanned in as a guest. When they're scanned in as a guest, if you hold down the left flipper to show the screen, you can flip over to where they're at in the player menu, and then hold down the action button on the lockdown bar, and then that will actually log them out. Or if you just happen to finish your session that day, turn the system off, next time you turn it back on, they will be logged out. Ooh, I love these little sound effects they added. Kind of sounds like a Neo Geo to me almost. Anyways, let's go ahead and play.
Welcome to my world.
Use the flipper buttons to select top lane skill shot.
Okay, Okay, so hopefully that showed you guys how to update your machine and how to use the new Home Team feature and also add the QR code to your Apple or Google Wallet. If you have any other questions, if you want to know how to actually do the USB update, I did that with my Jurassic Park home a while back. The video will be in the link down below, and I'll also put it like in the after part of the video where all the crap pops up. So yeah, if this is helpful, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, and I will see you guys in the next video. I promise the next video will not be about pinball. It'll be about video games, just not pinball.